it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, as Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Yeah. Just get my passport, so I'm back in the UK. Today, guys, we're here with Bugzy Malone, old friends. You know Bugsy, I'm a G. Already. So, like me say, just get my passport, I'm back in the UK. So let's jump in the one and here with the G officer. Let's go!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Folks. See, this one's for my old friends. Came up with me in the bits in my old ends. Yeah.
Outside the prison.
Look. This one's for my old friends. Late night chatting in my old Benz. Wilmslow Road in my 110s. I write the words in strange ways like it's a cold pen. Crown Court, magistrates, I really know them. Don't really know why. I had to throw my old knife on a cold night. I was a low life.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
The storytelling, Bugsy storytelling, that's the reason why I get my passport to come to the UK. In storytelling different. Listen what I go on. Guys, if it's your first time you hear a Bugzy Malone track, check him out.
Bugs.
To my American subs them and my Jamaican subscribers them and the rest of Caribbean, check out Bugzy Malone, dog. No problem. No problem. Thank me later. No problem. Thank me later. Let's go. Yeah.
Goes like this. Look. This one's for my old friends. Late night chatting in my old Benz. Wilmslow Road in my 110s. I write the words in strange ways like it's a cold pen. Crown Court, magistrates, I really know them. Don't really know why. I had to throw my old knife on a cold night. I was a low life. See, that's the nature of a gang. We had to blur lines. Are we really that tired or is it all lies? See,
Boss are telling them past life, bro. She told him did have to go through. She told him they have to do. Brother.
I had to throw my old knife on a cold night. I was a low life. See, that's the nature of a gang. We had to blur lines. Are we really that tired or is it all lies? See, to make it in these streets, you have to force crimes. HMP for Her Majesty's poor guys. Bang your door, that's the war cry. Put that chicken with some bread and bang pretzels to get more size. The prison gates and more force crimes.
Hey, what? Listen to the prison line I tell you a while ago.
HMP for Her Majesty's poor guys. Bang your door, that's the war cry. Put that chicken with some bread and bang pretzels to get more size. The prison gates in my daydream. Prison waits for mistakes. We wear gloves just to stay clean. Our mothers cook the rice, so we had to make peas. Keep it full English with the bacon, cause we're straight G's.
Our mother cooked the rice up. We had to make peas. It's not tell about the normal rice and peas, brother. When him say make peas, it's not about the normal rice and peas. The money, the moolah, the mwanga, the walla.
Cakes in my daydream. Prison waits for mistakes. We wear gloves just to stay clean. Our mothers cook the rice, so we had to make peas. Keep it full English with the bacon, cause we're straight G's. And never say please, unless I'm...
Keep it full English with the bacon. The breakfast in my talk. Full English breakfast in my talk. You see me? Yeah.
Peas, keep it full English with the bacon, cause we're straight G's. And never say please, unless I'm standing at the canteen and I want hash browns with my baked beans. We like AP, but keep it Rolex.
So I'm tell you, the only time him have manners, the only time, while he's in pen, the only time him have manners, or when time to get him food. Him have him hash brown and him want some baked beans with him hash brown. That's the only time him say please. You have to be careful with the G them in a prison where you share your food, cause the man that is spitting your food.
Full English with the bacon, cause we're straight G's.
Yeah.
And never say please, unless I'm standing at the canteen and I want hash browns with my baked beans.
Yeah.
We like AP, but keep it Rolex, and no feds could ever come and take what we achieve. When you're the first one to represent your city, that's a dead weight. Someone had to set pace. I had to say grace when I seen JP back on the estate. Tommy Lots never got to leave those jail gates. The road took colder than you can ask Kate. Watching Family Guy with me shut before shit changed. Shout out all the real ones from my ways. And this is how the real say safe. Cause the sky's the limit, be inspired is the mindset.
Yo. Are you a different dog? Like, Bugs is different, bro. Whatever Bugs is singing and sang them, him actually live it, dog. Him actually do it. Like, him actually show it, bro. There's no cap in Bugs' rap, bro. Me not in a capping and rap, dog.
How the real say safe. Cause
Big up the
true
G them there on the G, man. Big up the man them.
This one's for my old friends. The ones I left behind, yeah. Road, yeah, I came upon the road, I represented us proudly. I asked my city, do you love me? Do you love me? Road, yeah, I came upon the road, I represented us proudly. I asked my city, do you love me? Do you love me? This one's for my old friends. In fact, this one's for my old bits. The Waterloo estate back in 06. You keep the full face with you when you serve nits. Roaming the streets.
You keep the full face with you when you serve nits. So when I said this, so you keep the full face balaclava on when you're shot. When you're outside I juggle the streets. When you're outside I serve your cat. Don't ask me, I know. Yo, come, let's go.
I asked my city, do you love me?
Do you love me?
For my old friends. In fact, this one's for my old bits. The Waterloo estate back in 06. You keep the full face with you when you serve nits. Roaming the streets in the ghetto like I'm Elvis. We learned to steal in the city and that's straight facts. Halliwell Lane taught me to flip packs. Moston Colliehurst, I got a 6-pack. I went to school in Prestwich, I was an outcast. Community service in Wally Range. It was a dark day in Moss Side, the day they shot Jesse James. A cold night in Cheetham Hill when they got White Tony. Rest in peace, Deezy. I couldn't sleep easy, knowing we lost one of the rappers in my city that I should've collaborated with. It would've been a banger. Instead, I was in a black bandana. Some real deep memories when I drive through the manor. My adversaries in my nightmares, I see their face in detail, as if they were standing right there. Balaclava with them NIKEs had me feeling incognito. We did them fight fair. I like to say prayers, but keep it ducked out. Cause where I come from, if you don't fall, you get cut down. I'm from a place where ambition gets.
Man, so where you come from, if you don't fall, you get cut down, brother. The odds is stacked against you to be great. So I tell you, say, yo, if you don't fall, you get cut down, bro. You have to be outstandingly outstanding.
Me feeling incognito, we did them fight fair. I like to say prayers, but keep it ducked out. Cause where I come from, if you don't fall, you get cut down. I'm from a place where ambition gets you shut down.
Shut on the mall again.
Why I rushed out to get a bust down. Just a couple reasons why I kept it stepping. Rarely did the police find a murder weapon. Jail cells make the sky look iridescent. Starting at the bottom don't make you a peasant. Cause the sky is the limit, be inspired is the mindset.
Started at the bottom, don't make you a peasant. Don't make you less than nobody else. Started from nothing, don't make you less than nobody else who have it. You see me? Yeah, be inspired is the mindset, bro. You have to have the mindset and the drive to go get it, bro. You have to be a go-getter, bro. No matter where you start from, you can end up winning, dog.
Rarely do the police find a murder weapon. Jail cells make the sky look iridescent. Starting at the bottom, don't make you a peasant. Cause the sky is the limit, be inspired is the mindset. This one's for my old friends, the ones I left behind, yeah. Road, yeah, I came upon the road, I represented us proudly. I asked my city, do you love me? Do you love me? Road, yeah, I came upon the road, I represented us proudly.
Very new road.
I asked my city, do you love me?
Do you love me? Oh, him just buy that for somebody? You just buy that for somebody? Real dog, brother. Be inspired, bro. No fucking joke. Yo. Great British Dream. 10th of May is gonna be out. Pre-order now. New album coming from Bugsy again. The Great British Dream. Alright. Bumbo clock. No. Yo, let me tell you something about Bugsy, dog. Like, Bugsy inspire a nation, bro. Bugsy inspire all of the little youth them in a Manchester and the surrounding area right now. If you know, say, yo, no matter one or forward from, no matter how your background is, uno can do it. If him can do it, uno can do it. The man got prison. The man got through depression. Like, and he put all of these things in his songs. He put all them testimony them in his song, bro. Like, these are his testimonies. And he put them out to the public. Like, look at the G. Look at Bugsy. If him can do it, uno can do it. From nothing to something, dog. From nothing to something, bro. The man have tracksuit. The man have sneakers, which is trainers. The man have business on top of businesses, bro. Enterprises, bro. He's a businessman. Bugsy fought in a movie. Bugsy different, dog. Inspired, bro. Inspired, literally inspired by this guy, bro. No joke. Bugzy Malone, big up your fucking self, my G, and big up the real G them around you, dog. You see me? Yeah, my fam. This one I'm gonna leave the one still. If you don't enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. Just tell me in the comment section, man. Just tell me, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.